What if a secret, whispered through 1,000 years of history, holds the key to a better you? Today, we're not just talking about old remedies. We're diving deep into the powerful, often overlooked partnership of honey and black seeds. You might think you know about these, but what if their true power, and the forgotten stories behind them, are far greater than you? Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you'll uncover the hidden science behind this ancient duo. We'll reveal surprising facts about their origins and benefits that mainstream knowledge often overlooks. You'll learn how these humble ingredients became a remedy revered across civilizations, even earning a legendary, near-mythical status. Welcome to Nutrition and Wellness, where we explore the hidden truths and powerful wisdom often lost to time. If you're ready to unlock secrets that can truly change your perspective, hit that subscribe button now and join our journey. Before we talk about the incredible blend of honey and black seeds, let's look at the black seed itself. Many know it as Nigella Sativa, but its journey through time is quite remarkable. This small, unassuming seed has been found in truly ancient sites. Did you know it was even discovered in the tomb of Tutankhamun? This points to its immense value even in ancient Egypt, not just as a spice, but for something more profound. For centuries, across different cultures and continents, the black seed held a special place. Ancient Egyptians referred to it as Pharaoh's oil. In Islamic traditions, it's revered as the blessed seed. It wasn't just used in cooking or for general well-being. Ancient healers and scholars extensively documented its uses, detailing its impact on various aspects of health. The writings are surprisingly specific, hinting at a deep understanding that often gets lost in modern interpretations. Its widespread use across civilizations, from the Middle East to Asia and Africa, suggests a shared, ancient knowledge about its properties. This tiny seed carried a significance that transcended mere folklore, hinting at a practical effectiveness that kept it relevant for thousands of years. Now, let's turn our attention to its equally ancient partner, honey. We often see honey as just a natural sweetener. But its story, like that of the black seed, goes back even further, stretching into prehistoric times. Cave paintings from over 8,000 years ago depict humans harvesting honey. This suggests our ancestors knew its value long before written history. They weren't just gathering it for taste, they were likely using it for its healing properties. Ancient civilizations, from the Greeks and Romans to the Egyptians and traditional Chinese medicine, consistently used honey not just as food, but as a revered medicine. It was applied to wounds, consumed for digestive issues, and even used in beauty treatments. Hippocrates, often called the father of medicine, prescribed honey for various ailments. The remarkable part is how consistent its use was across wildly different societies with no direct contact. This isn't a coincidence. It speaks to an inherent property of honey that humans intuitively understood and utilized for millennia. Its natural antibacterial qualities, its ability to soothe, and its complex composition made it a truly versatile and indispensable part of ancient health practices. While fascinating on their own, the true enigma lies in their combined power. The ancients understood that some substances, when brought together, create something more potent than their individual parts. This concept, often termed synergy, is exactly what makes the honey and black seed mixture so compelling. It's not just about adding honey to black seeds, it's about a chemical and biological interaction that elevates their effects. For instance, consider the main active compound in black seeds, thymoquinone. Modern science is only just beginning to unravel its full potential. But ancient texts suggest a deep awareness of its powerful properties, even without knowing its chemical name. Now, combine this with honey, which contains a complex array of enzymes, antioxidants, and trace minerals. Honey can act as a natural carrier, enhancing the absorption of black seeds compounds. It also adds its own layers of beneficial activity, creating a unique biological symphony. This isn't just folk wisdom, it's an intuitive understanding of biochemistry applied thousands of years ago. The synergy amplifies their immune-boosting effects, making them a formidable shield against invaders. It enhances their ability to reduce inflammation, tackling discomfort at a deeper level. The ancients weren't just mixing ingredients, they were crafting a sophisticated compound with an almost alchemical understanding of natural elements. Beyond the immune system, the combined power of honey and black seeds extends to areas often overlooked by common home remedies. Take, for instance, their impact on digestive health. Ancient practitioners frequently prescribed this mixture for various stomach complaints. It wasn't just about soothing an upset stomach, they seemed to grasp its ability to balance the gut environment. Honey, with its pre- and probiotic properties, can support beneficial gut bacteria, while black seeds have shown an ability to calm inflammation within the digestive tract. This isn't merely alleviating symptoms, it's about fostering a healthier internal ecosystem. Consider also their surprising relevance to respiratory well-being. Historical accounts and traditional medicine describe its use for issues like coughs, asthma, and bronchitis. The soothing nature of honey combined with the anti-inflammatory and bronchodilator effects of black seeds would have offered significant relief in times before modern medicine. It hints at a natural decongestant and anti-allergic action that was recognized through observation and repeated application over generations. This continuous, successful application across diverse regions and climates speaks to a foundational understanding of how these natural elements interact with complex bodily systems, a knowledge built not in laboratories but through centuries of practical wisdom. Beyond internal health, the secrets of honey and black seeds also extend to the skin. For centuries, ancient cultures didn't just consume this duo, they applied it topically. Cleopatra herself, legendary for her beauty, was said to incorporate honey into her skincare rituals. But it was the combination with black seeds that added another layer of benefit. The anti-inflammatory properties we discussed earlier become incredibly useful here, helping to calm irritated skin and reduce redness. Furthermore, the antioxidants in both ingredients are critical. They help protect skin cells from damage, which is a key factor in maintaining a youthful appearance. Ancient people, without modern scientific terms, observed that this blend promoted clearer, healthier-looking skin. They used it for everything from minor blemishes to more persistent skin conditions, relying on its natural ability to soothe and regenerate. This long-standing tradition of external use highlights a holistic understanding of well-being, where the body's largest organ, the skin, was also a recipient of this ancient, powerful remedy. It's a testament to its versatility, showing that its benefits weren't confined to internal consumption but extended to external application as well. Understanding how to properly use this ancient remedy is key to unlocking its potential. It's not just about mixing two ingredients, it's about respecting their potency and ancient guidelines. The most common traditional method involves grinding the black seeds into a fine powder. This process is crucial because it helps release the valuable oils and compounds stored within the tiny seeds, making them more available for your body to absorb. Once powdered, it's typically mixed with raw, unpasteurized honey. The raw honey is important because it retains all its natural enzymes, antioxidants, and beneficial bacteria, which are often destroyed by the heat of pasteurization. A typical suggestion from ancient texts might be a ratio of 1 teaspoon of ground black seeds to 1 or 2 teaspoons of honey, taken once or twice a day. However, these are general guidelines based on historical practice. The ancients understood that while powerful, these remedies weren't a one-size-fits-all solution. They emphasized listening to one's body and, crucially, consulting with knowledgeable healers. This wise caution from antiquity remains incredibly relevant today, even as we explore these powerful natural gifts. While the historical accounts and traditional uses of honey and black seeds are compelling, there's a vital consideration that echoes from ancient wisdom to modern understanding. These powerful natural elements, precisely because of their potency, demand respect and careful consideration. It's crucial to understand that ancient remedies, while effective for many, are not universal solutions for every individual or condition. The healers of old, with their deep knowledge of individual constitutions, would always advise personalized approaches. Therefore, before incorporating any potent natural remedy, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions, are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking prescription medications, seeking guidance from a qualified healthcare professional is paramount. This isn't a sign of weakness, it's a demonstration of wisdom and responsibility. Just as you wouldn't embark on a perilous journey without a map, you shouldn't introduce powerful natural elements into your body without understanding their potential interactions. The true legacy of this 1,000-year-old remedy lies not just in its power, but in the intelligent, respectful way it was, and should continue to be, approached. So, we've journeyed through 1,000 years, exploring the quiet power of honey and black seeds. What began as ancient folklore evolved into a deeply respected remedy, utilized by diverse civilizations for its remarkable, multifaceted benefits. We've seen how these two humble gifts from nature, when combined, create a synergy that impacts everything from boosting your immunity to supporting digestive health and even caring for your skin. It's a powerful reminder that sometimes, the most profound answers aren't found in cutting-edge laboratories, but in the enduring wisdom of the past. The consistent use and high regard for honey and black seeds across millennia speak volumes about their genuine effectiveness. They stand as a testament to nature's simple yet potent ability to provide for our well-being. This isn't about replacing modern medicine. Instead, it's about appreciating the incredible resources that have always been available to us. It's about remembering that the ancients, through keen observation and practical application, unlocked secrets we are only now, with advanced science, beginning to fully understand. What are your thoughts on this ancient remedy? Have you ever experienced the benefits of honey and black seeds? Share your insights and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you and learning together.